Hey, Mike here. Let's go over the more general settings of Text Generator along with the considered context portion. Remember, if you find this content valuable and want to stay up to date with our latest insights on maximizing your productivity and note-taking efficiency, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's begin with Show Status in Status Bar. This shows information in the status bar regarding Text Generator all in real time. These options might seem insignificant at first glance, but they can provide quick insights into your document's status. Next on our list is the Output Generated Text to Block Quote feature. This option ensures that any AI-generated text is visually distinguished from manually typed content. It's a useful tool when sharing notes or collaborating with others as it ensures clarity for all parties involved. Otherwise, it's also useful in the case that you want to separate your own words from generated ones. Now, when we talk about organization in Obsidian, it often comes down to managing templates efficiently. For this reason, I recommend setting the prompts templates path to the default text generator / prompts. This keeps all your templates neatly organized and easy to navigate. I believe this is the default, and if you know anything about me, I like keeping defaults as much as possible because it allows for seamless switching between instances whenever I may need to do so in the future. When it comes to considered text, these two are pretty self-explanatory. We have include title, which just includes the title of the active document into the considered text. And then we have the starred blocks portion here, which it just includes the starred blocks in the considered context. Now let's move on to something a little more complex, the considered context for templates section. So there are several options here that can greatly enhance the structure and depth of your notes. The include front matter and include headings options allow you to include front matter and headings with their content. Enabling these features can help bring a structured, organized feel to your notes, which is invaluable when you're managing complex information. Front matter includes your properties, while heading includes headings found in your note. Then we have the Include Children option. When enabled, this feature includes the content of internal markdown links on the page, maintaining context within your notes. This is incredibly useful when dealing with interconnected ideas or topics. The Include Mentions and Include Highlights options are perfect for those who use mentions and highlights in Obsidian. These ensure that your mentions and highlights are included in generated content, adding further depth and relevance to your notes. And let's not forget about the Include Extractions feature. By enabling this option, you can include extracted information in your content, enriching it with valuable data that might otherwise go unnoticed. Lastly, in this section, we have the Include Clipboard option. This handy feature allows you to quickly integrate Clipboard content into your notes for swift references and information integration. Now let's take a quick look and tackle the Extractors Options section. First up are the PDF Extractor, Web Page Extractor, YouTube Extractor, and Audio Extractor through Whisper. Depending on what sources you regularly pull from, you can enable or disable these extractors as needed. By doing so, you ensure that any AI-generated content is relevant and useful. Then there's the Image Extractor and Embedded Image Extractor options. If visuals play a crucial role in your content, keep these options enabled. Please make sure to ask any questions regarding this plugin in the comment section below, and I will be sure to make content specifically for those questions in future videos. Thanks and see you tomorrow.